Sideswipe crashes occur for several different reasons and may involve multiple vehicles or only one vehicle hitting a fixed object. They may result from intentional lane changes when a driver misjudges a gap in traffic or because vehicles are in a blind spot. Sideswipes also occur when a driver unintentionally crosses a lane line because they are tired or distracted. Additionally, sideswipes may occur because of a sudden evasive maneuver in response to a surprise event, such as a vehicle suddenly braking in front of the driver. Overall, most sideswipe crashes are caused by inattention, poor visual scanning, and merging improperly.